Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Zoom and the two apps or windows you want visible. Make sure Zoom is updated and sign in so settings sync. Once done, arrange the other window, for example a browser or document, beside Zoom on your desktop. You do this now to avoid mid-process interruptions. It makes snapping faster. If your laptop supports keyboard shortcuts, keep them handy. You will need both windows active before using split-screen controls. Now you put the windows into split screen. On Windows, drag one window to the left edge or press Windows plus left arrow, then place Zoom on the right. On Mac OS, hold the green traffic light button and choose Tile Window to left or right, then select the other app. In Zoom, pick Gallery or Speaker View depending on whether you want participant tiles or a large speaker feed. This affects layout balance. Make sure the active window is not minimized. Finish by fine-tuning sizes. Drag window borders until text and video are clear. You can change Zoom's view and hide non-essential panels to maximize space. If layouts shift on reconnect, lock positions or use a snap utility like Fancy Zones for consistency. If something goes wrong, such as blurred text or frozen video, restart Zoom first, then check display scaling settings. 100% scaling is usually best.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.